Now I would like to invite Ms. Chen Meifin, Chinese teacher from the Confucius Institute.
副总理事谭子东先生，还有李玉涛，还有我的其他的一些中国朋友 ，and also my students, some other guests, my professor, Dr. Shafiq, my colleagues, students. Good afternoon. 下午好。Yeah. So we are gathering here for today's, class renovation inauguration ceremony. So the reason we can be here. So first person, I want to thank to the Mr. Li Tang. Please show your face to everyone. Please. Yes. So the first time I met Li Tang is in June in this year. So that time he went to our office and signed the agreement about the language training. Only need wood language training for Orange Line. So that time I met him. And so after the ceremony, we have very small chatting. So he asked, "Do you need any help from us?" I said, "Of course." Then I go to show me our classroom. It's quite old. So I asked if there's any possibility that like Orange Line train maybe can help us to renew our classroom, which will be the benefit to all our students. Okay, and also can show the friendship between the China and the Pakistan. So that's why how we started this program. So yes, as it known to all, so the Orange Line Metro is always take very strong sense of responsibility to everything. It's not about they are not the care about their own self-development, also care about some other people's, especially in the education field. So that's why we can be here, sit here together. And so after that, we started the project, and it only take 2 months from the very beginning to the end. We complete everything. So the speed, which Orange Line people show us is very fast, just like the Orange chain. So speed also is fast. So because of Ms. Lee's full support and some other colleagues from the Metro Orange Line, they are working always very professional. Doesn't matter, if we need some help from them, they will reply us very quick. Doesn't matter, it's a weekend. Or sometimes I might send a message to them at the very midnight. So they will respond to me very quickly. And they always, fulfill the mission, like whatever I say, that they just complete in very short time. So that's why. I also want to say one word to Mr. Tan Zidong. So you have a very wonderful team with you. They are very, very professional. So we are not only for the Chinese colleagues, also for all the Pakistani colleagues, which your team is show difference between maybe some other Pakistani people we outside. They are sometimes the speed is not that as fast as your team. So you are a very lucky person also. So I also want to, show my thanks, especially to the rim chair. So please show you the rim is here. Okay? She is a key person. I always talk. So she is the one, even at night, 12 o'clock, I send her a message. She replied to me. Okay? So I really appreciate to Mr. Tan Zidong and your team. So that's why we can successfully to be sit here. Okay? And all the CIPU students, please listen. Okay? So Orange Line chain, they are committed to offering education support to us, which it means you will have more opportunity to engage all the projects. So another, maybe the internship. Okay? So they also will provide the internship opportunity to eligible students. So please learn hard of the Chinese, not only for the language, but also it should be include of the culture. And the Orange Line Metro, they also is agreed to provide us the lifetime maintenance for the classroom, which is renovated. So it means we don't have to care about the maintenance in the future. So it really did a very big favor to us. So I want to take this opportunity. I also want to, please allow me to take an opportunity to say the thanks to Mr. Chao Ke. Yeah, it's from Deputy Chinese Consul General in Lahore. So we are very grateful for your care and the help. Also keep us company all along. Yeah. We have advanced language libraries, so which is supported by the Consulate General of People's Republic of China in Lahore. So let's please, the students, thanks to the Consulate General of China in Lahore. Thank you very much. Actually, I also want to say thanks to the support from the Punjab University. So without the university fully support, we also cannot reach at this height, at this moment. Okay, so please. One thing I want to mention, so later, Orange Line, they always provide give award to the eligible excellent students for the certificate, which it means with this certificate, if you in the future you want to looking for the job from the Orange Line, I think it can help you, right? Okay, so now let's celebrate this wonderful moment. And have a good day. Thank you.